Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henen kasngi ka khan reo todek unai tung. Ka Tribe Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India. Kalapalong yakayo yadi yathiet yakimar kimata balasna dakikti. Ha All Saints Hall Shillong. Hakaba ki nosnatia dakikti nakalang ki jala kantop nakani ki jala Meghalaya kilawan bani simenta. Ha bekran markilat patai kubor. Upam theng kaising ubadai marketing manager jongani ka konhon. Ulapan pau bak jingkwa hi jongkani ka kanhon kalong ban aila ikibriu ki bamdan mono banyarap bakin kieu hakani ka kam bat ban kanteru yaki bakinna banyo shimanta shakiweiru ki jala haba palong kum gini kiyo nakani ka jala Meghalaya kilaran south liki kanhon ki barawan shimanta bat kani kayo kanne hadu ka arpsan trek mentau naitung hakani hi ka hol.
This time 14 artisans has been invited from different states of Northeast. Arunachal, Mizoram, Tripura could not be attended, but Sikkim, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Assam are attending. We are happy that all of them have come despite of rain and floods and all. We try to give such platforms in different way, in a bigger way also. We have planned a bigger platform in Assam in November. That time hundreds of artisans will be invited from different parts of India. This time we are expecting our artisan sales, we are expecting around 5 lakhs. If there is no law and order problem, I'm expecting 5 lakhs of sales within these 10 days. I again want to repeat that they are grassroots level party only, small groups. So really they need your attention, your coverage, people's attention and people's participation in this manner.